Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming along on today's video. In this episode, I fly a Cirrus SF50 Vision Jet into Laconia Municipal Airport in central New Hampshire. Come along with me as I descend through layers of clouds on a windy but beautiful fall day. I encounter traffic advisories and turbulence during the descent and approach to runway 26 in Laconia. Thanks for coming along with me on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's really important that you click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Thanks for watching these videos, and I hope you enjoy this one.
Boston approach Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike. We'll cancel the IFR.
You're set on. Who's canceling IFR?
379 Juliet Mike, canceling IFR.
For 379 Juliet Mike, IFR cancellation is received. Maintain VFR, zoom and navigation.
Oh, now we'll maintain VFR 379 Juliet Mike. Alrighty.
IFR rudder. Number 9 Juliet Mike, are you going to continue over towards Dojin, or are you going to end up navigating inbound prior to then?
Yeah, we're going to navigate inbound prior to that. We just want to clear the terrain over here.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, roger. No problem. Traffic's 11 o'clock, 5 miles southeast on up to Cape 3000.
Roger, looking for traffic, 9 Juliet Mike. And 9 Juliet Mike, we do have the field in sight.
9 Juliet Mike, roger. That traffic's now 12 o'clock and 4 miles turning south on indicating 3000.
Roger, looking for traffic.
9 Juliet Mike, suggest you remain at or above 3,500.
We'll remain at or above 3,500, 9 Juliet Mike.
Number 5, Foxtrot, contact National Tower 133.2. Number 4-3 Juliet, you want to go where? Number 4-3 Juliet, resume on navigation.
800 feet below us and heading that way.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, the traffic's 1 o'clock and about 2 miles southeast on 3100 indicated.
Roger, looking for traffic. We have like T-gas.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, yeah, looks like you're behind them now. Radar service terminates, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, altitude your discretion.
We'll squawk VFR, change the advisory, altitude our discretion. Have a great day, and we'll go over advisories. Have a good one.
You too.
Right,
2-5 Celsius, dew point 1-6 Celsius, altimeter 2-9-8-4. Remarks, density altitude 2,000. Laconia Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1739 Zulu, wind 260 at 12, peak gusts 18, visibility 10, sky condition scattered 6,000.
Cool.
Air China 66 over Juliet, west downwind, runway 26, on your traffic.
Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike at 3,300 feet, currently about 6 miles to the east of the field, straight in for runway 26 in Laconia. Let's go gear.
Air China 66 November Juliet, west base, runway 26, Laconia traffic.
Alright.
Clear traffic. 626 November Juliet, turning west on the final, runway 26, Laconia traffic.
Dance traffic, 2 minutes. Skydive is over there, Stanford, 2 minutes. That looks good.
Is that guy behind us?
No.
Altitude.
Laconia traffic, Jet 379, Juliet Mike, descend on 2,600, 5-mile final, runway 26 on Laconia, full stop. So are we still good? Alrighty. So are we still sending them? Alright. Tango Juliet, left downwind departure to the south, final call.
Laconia traffic, 022 Victor Charlie, about 10 miles to the south inbound Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Jet 379, Juliet Mike, 4-mile final, runway 26 and Laconia, full stop. Coming up on minimums.
Minimums.
Laconia traffic, this is 24590 Yankee. About 1 or 2 miles to the southwest, last call, departing to the south, Laconia traffic.
Clear traffic, 626 November Juliet, clear runway 26, Laconia traffic.
Laconia traffic, Vision Jet 4 Golf Tango, holding short at 26.
Daniels traffic, jumpers away, jumpers over down, Stanford, do not overfly Daniels.
500.
Way down. Alright. Laconia traffic, Jet 379, Juliet Mike, short final, 26, full stop.
Hey, Don.
Y'all going to have some fun?
Not really, but we'll be back tomorrow.
We're just here to pull in a dock. Be back in 2 hours and back in the plane, back to Nashville.
Oh man, I'm gonna wave when you go by. That's the only time I'm gonna see you.
Yeah, y'all have fun. We'll see you.
All right, buddy. Plenty of room in the auto serve hangar.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the ramp, but thanks.
Clear traffic, 6 November Juliet, taxi from runway 26 to the ramp via Bravo, Echo and Charlie, Laconia traffic.
All right, hey, welcome to New Hampshire. Beautiful fall day here. A little bit of wind on final here, but worked out pretty good.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What is important that you click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. I can't thank you enough for supporting the channel, and thank you so much for coming along on this journey. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.